Hi, we're 2N, an Axis company and a world leader in IP intercoms, in fact #1 in EMEA. And we've built our position as a technology leader with an emphasis on high security and quality of design, usability and integration possibilities. Our product portfolio is extremely flexible and it answers all the needs of both residential and commercial installations, and it's all purely IP based, which offers enormous advantages for architects, developers, site administrators in terms of ease of installation and remote configuration, plus simple scalability and many integration possibilities in an increasingly IP world. So our intercoms boast a range of features including high definition video and award-winning design. In fact, our IP Verso here is a proud receiver of the Red Dot Design Award, and they're also compatible with our secure mobile video calling app. So they and our access control devices support a range of access technologies including biometry and keyless access through NFC or Bluetooth. In fact, we're investing heavily at the moment to provide a Bluetooth solution which will be unparalleled in terms of speed and reliability. Our answering units also reflect our same emphasis on design and on quality, and also boast a range of great features including high definition audio and video and the ability, for example, to send emails to users with photos of the people that have been calling on them. So our range really emphasizes integration opportunities, and our solution has integration with Control4, with Savant and with Crestron, for example, and the ability to install your own home automation apps on a device like our Indoor Touch. We're investing all the time in our research and development, so watch this space for further great innovations and products, and feel free to reach out to us at 2n.cz to see what else we have on offer.